Everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about our assignment of course MCFT 002, that is mental health and disorders. We have completed our section A, so today we will start with section B and cover part 1 and part 2 of the same. Now part 1 is about WHO and part 2 is about phenylketonuria. So let's get started. For part 1, that is WHO, we will be covering the points such as it stands for World Health Organization. It is an agency of United Nations which aims to give everyone everywhere the highest level of health. It was established on 7th April 1948 and so this day is every year celebrated as World Health Day. Its headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. The current Director General is Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Then we can talk about the different projects started by WHO for people across the globe. One such project is Triple Billion Targets. Then we will talk about the member states that are the part of this organization and how this organization works in collaboration with different governments, civil societies, advocates, researchers and health workers. After that, we can also elaborate the different principles of WHO, which happens to be integrity, equity and inclusion. Next, we can talk about the 6 regions in which the organization is divided, and finally we can summarize our answer by providing a small gist. Then we will cover up the second part, that is phenylketonuria. We will mention the points that it is commonly known as PKU. It is an inherited disorder which is caused due to the increased level of a substance called phenylalanine. Then we will cover that what is the main cause of this disorder. Then we will be talking about the consequences or the dangers of this disorder, covering up signs and symptoms that help us to understand this disorder. Then we will be talking about the types of this disorder, followed by how the disorder can be diagnosed, and at last we will be mentioning few ways in which we can prevent or somehow we can deal with the problem, as this problem has got no cure. That's all. Thank you. Great day ahead.